sinusuporta ang universe sa kanyang pagbabalik. Heto na siya, please welcome ang Steve Harvey ng Quezon City.
Hello! Hello! Madlang people, sa my finalist number 2, Steve Harvey ng Quezon City! Hey!
What's up, Madlang people? Steve Harvey!
He's my good friend, Vice! He's Steve Harvey!
It's good to be back again.
Yeah, it's good to see you again. Ang ganda ng coat niya. Oh, kulang na lang ilaw at saka mga bulaklak. Steve Harvey! Gusto mo nasa likod na kabaong ng lolo ko eh.
Gusto ba matapat natin?
Oh, tapos lagay mo ng cross lang sa gitna. Wait, Steve Harvey, I have something to give you.
What's that?
Wait a minute.
Oh!
Mami, pwede bang pahiram ng sombrero niyo?
Ayan siya.
Ayan.
Oh!
Di okay lang pahiram ng sombrero. Can you wear this, Steve Harvey?
Why are you borrowing mommy's hat?
I think this is gonna fit you so.
Wow! Oh, Mario! Mario!
How do I look like?
Hey, Mario! Meet your brother!
You do like this.
Mario!
Tol, two up.
Meet your brother, Luigi!
Steve Harvey!
So cute, Steve Harvey with this cup, ha? I will ask that beautiful lady there to just give that hat to you. So you can bring this home. So if you don't make it doing Steve Harvey, you go back here doing Mario. Dabo dito ka.
Bakit?
Where's my brother?
Doon ka.
Halika Dabo. Bakit?
Ikaw yung dragon.
Ano pangalan ng dragon? Si Luca?
King
Lupa.
Bowser.
King Copa.
Lupa.
King Koopa.
Kupa. Kupa.
K-O-O-P-A.
Kupa.
King
Kupa.
Sige,
Kupa. Kupa ka pala eh.
King yan!
King. Ang laki mong kupa. Siya yung king.
Siyempre,
Giant Koopa.
Dragon eh.
Oh, nakatira siya sa Cubana. Kupa-Cubana. Alright. Okay, I will return this to the beautiful lady already. You say thank you to her because she lent it to you.
Okay, I will give it to you.
Ay, ang taray. Oh, naging magkaibigan si Mario Brothers tsaka si Pac-Man. Oh.
What a gentleman, Mr. Steve Harvey, ha?
Hi, Sir Steve. How are you?
I'm fine, very fine.
Wait, Steve Harvey, who did you announce Miss Universe earlier?
Who won?
Who won? You did not announce.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, me?
There are three.
All of them.
All of them?
All of
Only
them.
one is supposed to win.
But I have to announce 3.
Siya yung host eh.
Very Steve Harvey.
Of course.
Okay. So, how are you today? Are you very nervous? What are you holding there? Is that a new?
It's not a new.
What are
It's
you
an
holding
old.
there? What is that? What do you call that thing? What do you hold there?
I don't know.
Don't know. Is anything written
I
there?
don't
Oh, nothing.
siyang alam.
Wala. Wala nang nakalagay, kinabahan ka pa. Hindi na nakakatayo, wala nakalagay, tapos nagkamali ka. Di ba?
Steve Harvey, you're so cute. I didn't know you're as tall as me.
Yeah, you're very cute.
you're-
Why didn't you put chain here?
Why, Jane?
Why?
Keychain. Labubu. Like
You're so
that.
cute.
Steve Harvey is one of the best hosts.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Of course.
Family Feud and
Yeah.
Miss Universe.
Pero bakit siya nung nagsalita parang boxing announcer siya? Can you do your spills again?
Ay,
What
ay,
you
ay,
say
ay.
earlier, your spills when you were starting.
And now, let's welcome.
Di ba boxing? Naging boxing na yung ina-announce niya.
In this corner, weighing 150 pounds.
You have many rackets, Steve Harvey, ha?
Of course.
Nag-ano ka rin sa bingo to?
Oo, pwede rin. Sa perya. Yung mga ganyan. Oo. Pero sa totoong buhay, ano bang trabaho nyo?
Well, I'm a scriptwriter.
Wow.
Radio drama.
Ha?
Radio drama scriptwriter.
Radio drama?
Radio drama scriptwriter. Okay. Can you give us a sample? You annotate.
Yung
Pretend
radio
that you
drama.
are reading a script.
And we're gonna act.
And then we are going to act.
Well, I'm a writer. I'm not a voice. I write the script.
You imagine the script because the script is coming from your mind, right?
Okay.
You just tell us what's on your mind.
Yes.
As if you are writing a script and then we will enact.
Red, para di na tayo mahirapan, buksan na lang natin. Para mabasa
Ano ka na ng lagari? Bubuksan ko na yung bungo nito.
Tell us a story.
Okay. One day, I was walking in the street.
Kami, hindi ikaw.
Kami artist, kami
Siya rin
artist.
na arte. Para kanina siya siya rin yung guest, siya yung host. One-man show gusto niya sila.
All of you, of course.
Yeah, we will be the one acting.
Okay.
One day, 4 of you are walking in the street. Yeah. And Vice Ganda saw something and he picked up a white stone.
A white stone? Mahuhuli pa ako yung ginagawa mo eh. Hawakin ng white stone.
Nasa beach!
Kinakabalik ko na nangyayari sa script dito.
Nasa beach
May nakita akong white stone tapos may tutunog na wang-wang. Kasi hulihin ako, bubugbugin ako sa kulungan.
Beach tayo sa beach.
What is the setting? Beach setting.
Maybe.
Okay, maybe. Okay.
Okay, White Stone.
Ooh! Why? What's that?
Oh, friends!
What?
I saw a white stone.
Wow!
Is this a new?
Is that a you?
I think this is a
And
new.
Vice Ganda put the white stone in to Ogie's mouth.
Oh, lumaki yung white stone.
What happened?
And Ogie shout, Captain Barber!
Si Darna yung lumunok na puting
Marvel pala yung
Bakit
nilunok?
si Captain?
Marvel yung nilunok! Iba yun eh!
Grabe!
Sorry.
Iba yung nangyayari sa multiverse dito. Si Darna naging Captain Barbell.
Hey, he's a storyteller.
Writer.
We have to honor his story.
Yes. Because you
shout
have the-
Captain Barbell.
Captain Barbie!
And then,
Bong became Wonder Woman!
Ikot! Wonder Woman!
and then,
And there... of course, what I have to do now, I forgot the next chapter. To be continued.
Alam mo bakit to be continued?
Bakit?
Para manalo siya today.
Kailangan may dahilan para bumalik siya. O alam niyo na kailangan pabalikin niyo na to ha. Hindi pa tapos yung story niya. Wow, that's very impressive.
Yes.
Very, very impressive.
palakpakan natin si Steve Harvey ng Quezon City, Jose Santaba.
At ngayon pakinggan natin ang momento sa kanya nating hura duo, Jukes and Teddy.
Madla people, rock and roll!
Hello po, Kuya Jose Sandoval. Thank you so much for coming today.
Si Steve Harvey yan.
Steve Harvey.
Yes.
Hindi, gusto ko lang sabihin, nakaka-good vibes yung ngiti ni Steve Harvey today.
Ang charming niyo po sa
Opo.
stage, lalo na pagka kayo ay nakikipaglokohan sa mga Showtime host. Yung ulo, 100% talaga eh.
Siyempre!
Ba't ulo lang? Paano yung katawan?
Yung bigot.
kilay.
Pero parang ulo ng Ninja Turtle yung ulo niya, no? Lagyan mo lang to ng malaking likod. Ulo to ng Ninja Turtle.
Michelangelo.
Yung kilay.
Yung kilay, ganun din eh.
Kilay ng demonyo.
Ay, yung mata.
Yung mata, okay din yung mata eh. Pati yung bigote.
Bigote.
Yung bigote, pang ano eh. Ano to, yung mga...
Mr. Suave.
Mr. Suave.
Oo.
Yan.
Yung ngipin.
Yung ngipin, hindi ko masyadong makita. Pero grabe yung charm nyo po. Sobrang lakas ng dating nyo. Kaya feeling ko kaya nanalo din kayo dun sa daily natin. Good luck po sa inyo, pare. May gusto ko pa-
Nakaka-good vibes.
Nakaka-good vibes
Yung
po.
ngiti niya. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ang ganda ng ngiti niya, oh. Pati yung pelegis sa noo niya, ang ganda. Yung para siyang nakalampas sa taning ng doktor.
Yes!
Yung hindi nasunod yung taning.
Yes!
Oo, after 10 years, masigla pa din siya.
Amen.
Maraming salamat. Jurado Jokes and Teddy, mga jurado maaari na ibigay ang inyong jurado kay Steve Harvey ng Quezon City.
Ano naman kaya ang ibigay ng score ng Madlang People? Kayo na, MC and Lassie.
Thank you, Christian! Eto na, tanungin natin ating Madlang People. Madlang People, score mo, show mo! Taas natin lahat! Itaas nyo! Ay, napakarami ng 8. 8 nakikita. Maraming 8, maraming 9. Hanap tayo. Hanap tayo. Okay. Wait. Yung pinakamasasaya dito! Sinong masaya? Sumisigaw! Yan! Oh! Eto, to. Halika, ate. Yan. O, dito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan.
Ate, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Frenzy po.
Frenzy.
Yes.
Si Frenzy.
Frenzy.
Ano bang score ninyo, ate?
9 po.
9. Bakit po 9?
Sobrang aliw po, tsaka kanina kasi sa ano siya.
Ay, kalokalike naman niya.
Kalokalike po.
Kalokalike
Opo.
niya. Kaya 9 talaga. Tapos naaliw ka pa sa ginawa niya.
Talo ka pa. Inglesero din eh. Siyempre, Steve Harvey yan.
Opo.
Oh, ayan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Ate
Thank you,
Frenzy.
thank you.